Hey people, this is Conrad Layn here. Welcome my YouTube neighbors. This is just my journey to Conrad Layn Turo IPO journey, where I'm gonna try to do my best to figure out the intrinsic value of what potentially Turo might be once goes through the initial public offering, which is IPO. I have strong conviction in this company as a Turo host. I'm not telling you to invest in Turo host, so don't try to litigate me or take me to court. I'm not telling you to purchase Turo stock when it becomes a stock. I'm just simply showing you my journey. Stay tuned. Watch the video, people. Hey, this is Conrad Layn here. Thank you for following me through to my Turo IPO journey. It's been a lot of fun just doing research to figure out what the intrinsic value of Turo is. Again, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not invest in Turo or to pick any company to invest in. I'm simply sharing my opinions and educated guesses and my convictions. This is all personal, my personal opinion, and why I have such strong conviction in Turo. But I want to get right into it, people. Pretty cool news I found. I'm going to share my screen to show you guys as well. Kleiner and Perkins, they actually have something called a green growth fund where they invest in companies, and they definitely, when they believe in the company, they invest big. They actually invested in Uber, and I'll show you proof of that. And they also invested in Turo. Really phenomenal. I'm going to show you the article as well, and I'm going to share my screen. But it's just really good news when I find that when these big funds actually fund companies like Turo and other big companies like Uber, or pronounced Uber. It's one of those things where it just furthers my conviction. It's not absolute. It's not the only reason why I invest in Turo, but like I said, I'm just gathering as many pieces as possible. So if Turo does become go through IPO status or SPAC status, or just becomes public in some type of way or fashion, I have such strong conviction. I definitely want to actually invest heavily in Turo. I definitely want the opportunity. So yeah, people. So I love this, and I have some good news for you guys. I'm gonna share my screen. Follow me through. Thank you for following me through on the Kleiner Perkins page. As I was stating before, you guys follow me through. This is a green growth fund, and they're investing in quite a bit of companies. They invest in Uber, sometimes pronounced Uber, and they actually invest in Turo as well. And this is just an article on their page that goes into detail about San Francisco-based Turo is helping put the world billion cars to better use. So they do believe in Turo. Just want to make that clear. Look what it says right here. I'm gonna leave the links below as well. It's awesome. Just goes in detail, just everything, the whole breakdown on this cars that sit there, where most people, their cars are just sitting in a lot most of the time. And this is awesome. So, and let me go to the next page. There's a green growth fund. And wait for it. Booyah. See, they invested in Uber. They invested in Turo as well. Pretty awesome. Now I select Turo, go right into it over here. Takes you right to the Turo page. Absolutely phenomenal. So I just want to leave that with you guys. They do believe in it, and when I find a fund that believes in, or an investment fund, or a firm, or a company that has a history of investing in successful companies, now that they're investing in Turo, definitely a good indicator to me. And for them to believe in it, and seems like a lot of their convictions are parallel to mine as well. Turo's just the future, man. So I mean, simply put. So that's about it. Just want to show you guys that. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, share the video. Carlin out.